How to fix away crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, right click on the game and go to the properties window. And then in the general tab under launch options, you want to type -D3D11 or -DX11 if the first command does not work for you. And then you want to go to the installed files and hit the verify the integrity of game files button and wait for this process to finish checking the files. Once this is done, you want to open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA GPUs, it's NVIDIA app. And then you want to go to the drivers section and then make sure to download and install the latest game ready driver. And once you finish installing the driver, before you restart your computer, you should also open up your browser and install the redistributables by searching redist, clicking on the first link. And then from this table, you want to download and install the 86 version and the 64 version, both of them. Once you finish downloading and installing these, you will then need to restart your computer. And once you restart your computer, you should simply open up Steam and launch the game again. And that should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.